Can't access the FC26 web app, whether it's stuck on try again later or refusing to log you in, we have got the fix. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Today we are solving the FC26 web app login issue from server errors to account eligibility and browser tweaks. Let's get started. Method 1. Wait for some time and try again. If the FC26 web app isn't working, the best approach is to wait patiently for a few minutes before trying again. This pause allows time for temporary issues like server overload, maintenance, or network issues to resolve themselves. During this waiting period, the app's backend might be rebooting, updates could be rolling out, or traffic congestion may be easing. After waiting, refresh the page or reopen the app to see if it's back online. Method 2. Try logging out and logging in again. The next thing you can do is restart the game. You can log out of the account completely and then log in back and launch the game and check if that works. To do so, open the EA app. Then click on your profile icon, then expand the menu and select Logout. Then try logging in again and see whether that works. Double check that you are logging in with the correct account. Method 3. Clear the EA app cache. Corrupted cache can create problems and cause these types of errors. So you should also clear the EA app cache and reconfigure it. But before doing it, close the EA app from the task manager, press Windows+R to launch the run utility, type %localappdata% in the run command box and press enter. Delete the EA desktop and electronic arts folders from the local folder. Method 4. Check the EA game server status. The issue can also occur if the EA game server is down or under maintenance. So you can check the EA server status from this link. If there is any issue on the server side, then wait till the server becomes up and live again. Method 5. Clear browser cache. To clear Chrome browser cache, open Chrome and click on the three dots menu. Select Delete Browsing Data. Next, select All Time from the time range, check all boxes and click on Delete Data option. Confirm your action when asked and follow as shown to finish the process. Method 6. Use a supported browser. Ensure you're using a browser that supports WebGL such as Google Chrome, Safari, Firefox, Edge or Opera. Try switching to a different browser if you encounter issues with your current one. Method 7. Disable browser extensions. Disable any browser extensions that might interfere with the web app. Ad blockers, VPNs and other extensions can sometimes cause issues. Here we are showing how to disable Chrome extensions. Open Chrome menu, then select Extensions, then Manage Extensions. Here you can remove or disable the browser extensions. Confirm if asked. Once done, try to launch the game and check. Method 8. Check the internet connection. Make sure you are connected to a stable internet connection. You can check the internet speed from speedtest.net from another device provided it is connected to the same internet. If the internet connection is slow, then contact your service provider for help. You can also restart your router or modem and check if that works. Method 9. Flush DNS and reset WinSock. Type command prompt in the Windows search menu and choose to run command prompt as an administrator. Next, copy and paste these commands one by one in the elevated CMD window. Hit enter after each command. ipconfig/flushdns, ipconfig/release, ipconfig/renew, netsh IP reset, netshwinsock reset. Once you have finished running all the lines of the commands, restart your computer. Method 10. Change DNS. You can also try changing the DNS and see if this can fix the error. To change DNS, open Control Panel using Windows Search. Next, set the View By option to small or large icons. Next, select Network and Sharing Center. Now, select your internet connection next to Connections. Then open its properties. Or, you can select Change Adapter Settings. Then right-click on your internet connection and select its properties. Search for Internet Protocol version 4 and right-click on it and open its properties. Set the preferred DNS server address to 8.8.8.8 and the alternate DNS server address to 8.8.4.4. Click on OK and save the changes. You can also switch to the Cloudflare DNS server. For that, set the preferred DNS server address to 1.1.1.1 and the alternate DNS server address to 1.0.0.1. To save the changes, click on OK. Once done, restart your PC. Once the PC restarts, relaunch the game and see if the issue is fixed. Method 11. Update the network drivers. Outdated drivers can lead to connectivity issues while playing games, so you can update the network drivers and see if this can fix the issue. To do so, open Device Manager using Windows Search, head to the Network Adapters section and expand it. Right-click on your network adapter and select the Update Driver option. Choose Search Automatically for the drivers option, follow the on-screen instructions to finish the process. Method 12. Contact EA Support. If the method shown in this video could not fix the EA Sports FC25 error, then you can reach out to the EA Sports for help. You can get in touch with live support through the official EA help site, or you can reach out via X, formerly Twitter, or Facebook for help as well if you prefer. And that's it. Your FC26 web app should be back online and ready to roll. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Still stuck or found a different workaround? Drop it in the comments. We are here to help. Thanks for watching Silicophilic, and we will see you in the next video.